Hey guys, my name is Fanstaff and welcome to another tutorial. So yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use PermissionsEX, or at least some useful in-game commands on how to create your own ranks and prefixes and so on. And look, I got a cape, man. Look at that. I'm not sure. The F is for my build team called Foam Builds, but also it's also F for Fanstaff, you know. It's just so cool, man. Anyway, let's get into it. This is a cool plugin to create ranks and groups for the players in your server, and the link to this plugin will be in the description, so go check that out. Yeah, when you download the jar file, you go to your server folder and then your plugins, and then just put it in there and restart the server and it should work. Very simple. And yeah, let's get to the first command. The first command we'll need is a command that you need to type in the console of your server. So let's just head to the console. It's right here. So you need to type in /Pex user. You don't always have to use slash. Yeah, some consoles it might not work if you do slash, so try without if it doesn't work. But Pex user, then your name, and then add, and this little star here. So this basically adds a permission to the player, and the star just means all permissions in the game. You can of course remove any permission as well by typing remove instead of add, of course. But right now we want to have this permission. Let's just wait for it. And there we go. So let's head back into the world. So now we've basically got every permission. I can opt myself, and I can de-opt myself, and I can keep doing this because I have all permissions. So I don't need to be op in order to do every command. Anyway, the first command you can do is /Pex, which just displays like all the commands within the plugin. But I think this is a bit confusing. They're all on top of each other like this. It's a bit confusing. So if you look in the description of this video, I've made a file.txt which you can download by the link. It's just a file with the most useful commands and a little easier to read. And yeah, go download that if you wanna see that, whatever. Anyway, let's create a group. Also, I forgot to mention that in order to have the chat prefixes to work, you need to install Essentials Chat and Volt. Link in the description, of course. Yeah, go get them. Anyway, back to this. So if we do Pex groups list, we'll see a list of all the groups. And now there's already a default group, which there will always be. So you don't have to create a new one when you start the server and start using this plugin. Just edit the already existing one if you want to have prefixes and such. Anyway, let's create one. So in order to create a group, you do Pex group, and then the name of your new group, which in my case will be owner, and then create. Fairly simple. Now we will want to add perms to this group. So just do Pex group owner and then add, and then the little star, because in my opinion the owner should have all permissions. So yeah, let's just do that. So now anyone that has the group owner, anyone that's in that group will have all permissions on the server. Now if you want to put someone in this group, you just do Pex user and then the username, and then group set and then the group name, and there we go. So now I am in the group owner, but of course you can't see it because we haven't added a prefix yet, but I have all permissions right now. So let's do Pex group owner prefix and then the prefix, which we'll just use a red bold owner. So now the prefix has been set to this. Now you can also, if you want this to be in a specific world, you can do world, the name of the world at the end here. So if you want someone to have a different prefix in the nether, you can do a different prefix and then do world nether, for example. Whatever. And now when I talk, I have owner in front of my name. And if you have enabled it with essentials, it will be in the tab list as well. If you want me to show you guys how to use essentials and the config and so on, let me know in the description, or the comments of course. And I'll see what I can do. Anyway, we don't want my name to be read as well, and it all looks a bit weird. So let's go back to this command. Now, if I just do a space here, it won't notice it. So if you want to have space in your prefixes, you have to do this around your prefix. And now we'll just do a little reset, so my the display name or the username of the player won't be read as well. So if we do this and I type hello, oh yeah, it's because we didn't do it in the world, because we are in the world called world right now, and that was still set to the old prefix. There we go. Now we got owner in front of our name. If we want the username to be a different color, we can do this, and let's see, did it do it? Yeah, it's a bit laggy, I'm sorry. But then the username will be another color. That's so cool, right? Anyway, yeah, let's create a new group. Do it with me, guys. Let's create a new group together. So we do Pex group VIP create. Got the VIP created. Now we do Pex group VIP add, and let's do essentials dot kits dot VIP. I added a custom kit called VIP. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's with a big V or whatever. We could also do /fly, so now they have, or not, essentials.fly, so now they have access to /fly, and we could do hat as well, so they have access to /hat. Anyway, let's do the prefix. So Pex group VIP prefix, and let's do that one here. Whoop, VIP, and a little space, and just a reset, and do that in world or whatever. If you don't put a world here, it would just do it everywhere in all worlds. Anyway, next step will be to add someone to it. So we do user fan staff group set VIP. So now I'm VIP. I can spell hello. Hello. There we go. I have access to kit VIP, which I added. If you guys want me to show you how to add custom kits to essentials, let me know in the not the description. Are you in the comments, and I'll definitely do a video on that, because that's fun stuff. But look at this. I got a VIP sword with sharpness V, a VIP jam, a VIP helmet with a custom lore that says do/hat with this in your hand, and some steak. And the VIP rank can do/hat, and I can put this on my head. Incredible. Incredible. So yeah, this is basically it. Actually, this is how you create groups with Pex or PermissionsEX. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know in the comments, and let's say that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you do, smash that like button. Maybe just click it. You know, you don't want to destroy your mouse. Maybe just click it gently. You know, and subscribe, and hit the bell as well. And maybe also just click that, because you don't want to destroy anything. You want to be very anyway, bye. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.